Hello and welcome to another update on Polygon. I'm here currently on the 4-day chart, larger time frame chart, and here we can get a really good idea of what's going on with Polygon in terms of the larger time frame, the overall context. Context is everything. I've got this corrective pullback potentially complete. This could be a wave 4. But as I said in previous videos, we can't really confirm that from an Elliott wave point of view. What I can do, I can track the local trend up until we get 5 waves up. And the 5 waves are shown here on the larger time frame chart. You see what needs to happen for that, right? I need to get a healthy third wave, then it needs to hold a higher low and then a higher high. And it gives us a proper sequence of 5 waves to the upside. Currently, I really can only identify 3 waves to the upside. After we get 5 waves, if we get, that is, it's a big if, then we can add support for this wave 2, and we can move higher accordingly to $5, $6 plus. This is of course super speculative, but I wanted to show you how the bigger picture, the larger time frame looks like, so you don't get confused when we take a look at the smaller time frame. At the moment, as long as this is only a corrective rally, with that I mean a 3-wave move up, this could also simply be a wave 4, which is a 3-wave move A, B, C. I'm of course not showing all the detail here on the larger time frame. This is really just a simplistic version of the chart, but sometimes easier to identify the context. If we have all the fib boxes here on the chart and everything, it'll be a bit overwhelming. Now let us take a look at the shorter time frame. Here I've, by the way, moved now to the Polygon chart on Coinbase. This doesn't give me all the context, but it's not needed. This is a short-term chart. It just gives me cleaner structures. I had, I think, the index chart or something before, which wasn't great. So here at least we have some cleaner structures. Again, from this low, and that is the low that you saw on the larger time frame. It could be a larger degree 4th wave, or could just be the as you just saw here on the larger time frame, could be the 3rd wave in the orange count or the 4th wave in the white count. Important is now if from this low we can form 5 waves up. And you see here I've added another layer of microstructures. Really, I wouldn't really want to do more than that because it's not the most reliable chart, obviously. Why is it not the most reliable chart? Well, because in this entire bull market, it was just correcting all the time. So it's not really showing much strength. There is some local strength here on the smaller time frame. We have something you could call an uptrend, but honestly, this is not really a breakout. I mean, it all takes so much time. Look, we've got this 5-wave move up. It was a super ugly 5-wave move with a very deep 4th wave. A pullback, okay, all good. And then this is, what is this? Is this another 1-2 setup? Maybe. We had a support area here at the time. It reacted, and I don't know what this is. This is, again, it could be another 1-2 pattern. But then this isn't really giving me 3rd wave vibes at the moment. It should be a bit more aggressive. So the main takeaway here, it continues to be that, look, be on the side of caution here. I think if we break below the red line here at 22.8 cents, it's starting to break down. To really keep this direct move up intact, whether that's in an extension of this orange C wave or in the white scenario, the market should really push higher from here. I mean, ideally we even break or hold above that 27.5 cent level, but really we should hold above the red line. Or we start to break below previous lows. Yeah, that would be quite problematic for the bulls. Next resistances here at 29.7 cents. There's actually no surprise that we can't get above this level because this is the well-known 100% extension level, and very often you will find an ABC rally or a corrective rally complete there. So I'll pay close attention to these levels. For now, the local trend is up, but it all seems so. It seems like so much effort is needed to drive the price a bit higher. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.